Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's about 7:45 this morning. Wait for the news to come out and things to settle down. So let's get started for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation. So you can see last night we had opened at 65.75. Market came down and tested this low. We talked about our market profile for the last week at this 29.59.60 area right in here. We've been talking about if it failed, where we're going to end up down here, and it did. Got the good support bounce we thought we were going to get. It's moved back up and come back and retested the 24-hour VWAP and up and back, and we're slowly grinding up. Broke above the open again. So next target would be about the 68.25 as it moves up again, watching this consolidation area over to the. So after that, we will look for target of up into the 2370, and I expect some strong resistance at yesterday's open right here. We may start getting a pullback even all the way back to this zone back here. But if we're lucky enough just to get a small pullback, at least down to the 6850 with a breakup, buyer step in, we could push this thing right back up into the 76 area where we were yesterday at the high. So after that, look for a retest back below this zone about 73, and then right on up to 78, 80 area. After that, we do have targets up into the 82, 88 area. That's pushing it for today, but we'll see what happens. All right. More than likely, it won't do that. Down to the downside, if this fails up in here, or after we get up to this 2370, and if we crawl all the way back down through this zone and we close below it, look for it to come all the way down, probably around the 62 area, retest the bottom of this zone, this low over here, this structure, and then right down to the overnight low where I expect a really good bounce and probably go right back into the up scenario. All right, at least a double bottom here. But if this fails and we get down here, again, we're looking for targets down in the 54, 50 area down in this area, 46 and way down to 42 key areas. Really have to watch this. Any of these zones can be major reversal areas, so be cautious as you take these trades and as we go up. So let's just recap again on market profile. We've been talking about it on this 4-hour chart. We said we had to hold this fib line right here at the top of this structure, and we didn't. So we came all the way down and tested this 360, just like we said we would. And now it's great support here. So what do we do here? This is the bounce. We need to close above the 70 area. Again, 78 and above this 84. So little stepping stones in here, and you can see by the profile where this is, and need to move right back up to go to head to this 2400 level. If we fail to close and stay above this 2360 area, I mean targets down here at 45, what we're looking for, followed by down here again at 2330 20s, and good stepping stones back to this 2312 and all the way back to 2300. All right, things really get ugly. We're looking for pullbacks to the 2265. So please keep that in mind. Daily chart shows the same thing. We hit this 4141 zone right up in here, and we have pulled right back to the same area. We need to hold this, or we're going to be dropping all the way back to the 42 level on a daily scale. Okay, interim stop might be here at the 51, but that's where we're headed down to. Be cautious if you're swing trading this, but great chance for potential profit if you're a swing trader. If you have any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com, and have a great day.